Beets and scallops sounds weird, right? But let me show you why this pairing is actually a Michelin-level secret. The beets aren't just garnish, they're the foundation. Their earthiness balances the scallop's briny sweetness. I'm using 3 techniques: a smooth ginger-infused red beet puree to paint the plate, butter-glazed yellow beets finished with chives, thin raw shavings crisped in ice water for texture. Now for the shallot confit. This is a technique I picked up working in a Spanish restaurant. We're gonna slow cook it in neutral oil until silky and sweet. This brings depth and ties the whole dish together. The dill oil. It's all about color and freshness. Blanch, then shock the herbs, blitz with oil, and strain for a vibrant green that brings sharp aromatic lift to the plate. To make our scallop-infused beurre blanc, I'm basically using this muscle part that we remove anyways, right? And this, instead of throwing it away, we're gonna make a delicious sauce with it. And now for the scallops. This isn't just a recipe, this is a map of all the kitchens I've worked at, and now it's yours. So I'll see you in the next episodes. Take care. Bon appetit.